Have you ever played with slime? It's gooey, it's stretchy, and it's a whole lot of fun. But did you know that slime is also a fantastic example of science at work? That's right, behind all that gooey goodness is some pretty cool chemistry that makes slime so unique and fascinating. Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. That's a big word, but it simply means that slime doesn't behave like a normal liquid like water or juice. Instead, slime can act like both a solid and a liquid, depending on how you touch it. How cool is that? Get ready to dive into the world of slime and uncover the secrets behind its amazing properties. We'll learn about the ingredients, the chemical reactions, and the science that makes slime so much fun to play with. So, put on your science hats and let's get sliming. To make slime, we need some special ingredients. The most important ingredients are polyvinyl alcohol and borate ions. Don't worry about the big words, we find these ingredients in everyday stuff. Polyvinyl alcohol is found in white school glue, and borate ions are found in laundry detergent booster. When these two ingredients mix, something amazing happens. They link together to create long chains of molecules, which is what gives slime its gooey texture. Think of it like this. Imagine each molecule of polyvinyl alcohol is like a tiny little hand. The borate ions act like a special handshake, connecting all those little hands together. The more handshakes we have, the thicker and slimier our slime becomes. Slime is so cool because it can act like both a solid and a liquid. When you hold slime in your hand, it feels like a solid. You can squish it, stretch it, and even roll it into a ball. But if you let go of slime, it will slowly ooze and flow like a liquid. How does it do that? Remember those long chains of molecules we talked about? When we apply pressure to slime, those chains slide past each other, making it feel like a liquid. But when we stop applying pressure, those chains tangle up again, making it feel more like a solid. That's what makes slime a non-Newtonian fluid. It doesn't follow the usual rules of liquids. It's like magic, but it's really just science at play. Now that we know the science behind slime, let's make some. Don't worry, it's easy and fun. You'll need white school glue, laundry detergent booster, water, and food coloring, which is optional. First, mix equal parts glue and water in a bowl. Add a few drops of food coloring if you want colored slime. Then, slowly add the laundry detergent booster, mixing constantly. Keep adding the booster until your slime starts to come together. You can adjust the amount of laundry detergent booster to make your slime thicker or runnier. Once your slime is ready, you can take it out of the bowl and play with it. Just remember to wash your hands after playing with slime. Making slime is not just about having fun, it's also a great way to learn about science. By understanding the chemistry behind slime, we can learn about polymers, chemical reactions, and the properties of matter. Science is all around us, even in the most unexpected places. Next time you're playing with a toy, eating a snack, or just looking up at the clouds, take a moment to think about the science involved. You might be surprised by what you discover. Remember, science is not just for scientists in labs. It's for everyone. So, keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and keep exploring the amazing world of science. Slime is just the beginning. There are so many other fun and exciting science experiments you can try at home. You can make your own volcano, build a marshmallow tower, or even create your own invisible ink. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some materials, put on your thinking cap, and get ready for an adventure in science. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun and never stop exploring the world around you. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep on sliming.